Hello everyone, welcome to my another video, and this video is the post operation care. The post operative instructions what I received from my doctor, I will go through one by one and I will discuss with you guys. The general instruction, the first instruction was that immediately follow surgery you should plan to go home. After surgery go home and take rest. The activity should be very minimum because that time your transplanted area is very soft. And what I observed when I came out from the car and I came to my hotel room, I just went near the mirror and I was looking on my head. There was a little bleeding on one of my graft. Maybe possibility that I lose the graft during my walking and coming back to my room. So what I will suggest, whoever is doing the hair transplant, after the transplantation, take your activities up to minimum. Immediately after the clinic, go to your room, go to your bed and take rest. There is of course a swelling on your whole face after the transplantation. For me, in my case, the swelling remained around 5 days, and it reduced slowly after 5 days. You cannot take alcohol for 3 to 5 days after your surgery, and you should also apply cold compression on your forehead and the areas where you have swelling to decrease the swelling. The doctors also gave you medicines and they will tell you how to use those medicines. For me, I was using for 1 week and I was feeling less pain after 7 days because of the medicines. Yes, okay, swelling I already covered. And the infection. About the infection, it says infection is very rare. Avoid your exposure to the dirt and don't play for 2 weeks after the surgery. Do not touch the donor area or the transplanted graft except with the clean hands to reduce the chance of an infection. Report any increasing tenderness or redness and swelling around the surgical site. For exercise and work, refrain from heavy work or sports for 1 week, but I will suggest don't go for the sports and gym for 3 weeks, because after 3 weeks you can resume your sports activities slowly. Don't go for harsh exercise and the sports after 3 weeks, even after 3 weeks. And refrain from weightlifting or heavy lifting and for swimming for 10 to 14 days. You should not have sex for at least 1 week. Some people return to light work the day following surgery. Almost the other people prefer to take 2 or 3 days off because of the possibility of swelling and some crusting following surgery. Some people prefer to take 1 week off after the surgery. Crusting will be visible if you have little hair to begin with. Crust usually fall off after 7 to 10 days. For the hair washing, your doctor will guide you how to wash your hair and they will give you shampoo or the spray or the lotion. I will make my video and guide you guys how to wash your head transplanted area and the donor area after your surgery. And that's it. This is the main guideline from my doctor, and there are some other points from my side which I want to share with you guys. The first thing is what I already told, the rest is very important. The more you rest in the initial days, the more you will recover better. You should not go under the sunlight for at least 3 months. If you have to work and you think you are going under the sunlight, it's better to wear some cap or a hat, and then you can go under the sunlight. If you are planning to come Turkey for hair transplantation plus your tourism, then you can continue your tour as well after your hair transplantation. But keep in mind that you will have swelling for at least 5 days, and the pain will go after 7 days. But I had planned during my hair transplantation I came Turkey, for example, today. Tomorrow was my hair transplantation, and the day after tomorrow I was going to another city which is trap zone for tourism purpose. So I was only driving to different cities, like there are either Uzungol, many beautiful places in northern areas in the Turkey. So I was just traveling to different cities, different places on car in a car. Sorry, I was driving a car, so there was no heavy exercise or walking from my side. So if you are planning for tourism, you can continue your tourism, but keep in mind that you should not do any hard work, or you should not run for at least 1 week, and you have to take care to get the good result. If